going to warm up using pennies and dimes. If you don't already have 10 pennies and 10 dimes in front of you, go ahead and grab them. If you don't have those, you can use counters. What we're going to do today, as you can see, I'm going to count them and I'm going to break them up by ones, and then I'm going to pretend they're tens, and I'm going to break them up by tens. Please pause the video and make 5 number sentences for ones and 5 number sentences for tens that equal 10 and equal 100. Problem of the day. Please point to the first word. We will read it together. The word is duh. David shot 15 shots in a basketball game. He made 10 shots. How many shots did David miss? Use a tape diagram to help you solve. It says he shot 15 shots, but he only made 10 of them. That means only 10 went to the basket. Think in your brain, do I need an addition sentence or a subtraction sentence? Go ahead and pause the video and try this on your own. What do you notice about these shapes? Are they flat or are they shapes you can hold? If you said they're shapes you can hold, you're right. They are called 3D shapes. We have a sphere, a cube. The pasta box next to me is a rectangular prism. These shapes have things called sides, also known as faces. And then we have here a cylinder. Sphere. Our first shape is a sphere. A sphere has no faces. That means it does not have any sides and no vertices. It does not have any corners, just like a basketball or a cutie. Can you find different spheres in your house? A cone is our next shape. I see that a cone is kind of like a standing up triangle, and it has one circle face at the bottom. So I see cones in ice cream. I also see cones in traffic cones. Where do you see cones in your house? The cylinder is our next shape. It has 2 circular faces on the top and the bottom, and then it's nice and tall. I see cylinders in my pantry when I'm looking for food. I see it with my oatmeal box or cans. Where do you see cylinders in your house? The cube is an interesting shape we see all the time. I see it on my planter right here. It has 6 rectangles all the way around it. It is a 3D shape. I also see a Rubik's Cube. Where do you see cubes inside of your house? Rectangular prism. A rectangular prism is like a rectangle that has come to life. It has 4 rectangle faces, or also known as sides, and 2 square sides that put it all together makes a rectangle. I see a rectangular prism also in my pantry with my pasta box. Where do you see rectangular prisms in your day? Your turn. Your activity for today is to complete Lesson 3, page 133 to page 136. After that, you can choose to work on ST Math, or you can show me your activity number story that we did earlier today together. Don't forget to submit a video of your math on Class Dojo under the Wednesday Math. And remember, wear your sunnies.